Indulge in the epitome of Caribbean luxury, living with this magnificent residence in Savan Pi, Dominica. This wonderful home boasts 8,020 square feet of luxurious living spaces on 3 levels with panoramic views of the mountains and Caribbean Sea. The main floor welcomes you with a delightful lounge and fitness area flowing seamlessly into the sparkling swimming pool, sun terrace, and outdoor kitchen with a barbecue area. A pool house adds extra convenience with facilities and bar. The first floor features a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, 2 delightful dining areas, spacious patio, bedroom and bathroom. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom, including a master bedroom with a walk-in closet and soaking tub. Spacious verandas for relaxation complete this top floor. Priced at $1,859,980 including all furnishings and equipment. This home is a true gem, promising a life of unparalleled luxury and comfort. Schedule your viewing today.